Hi Joan, it's May 25th. Just had the, actually about a week ago, not just had it. We had the baler dropped off, so just got it hooked up to the tractor. I'm going to take it over to the hay shed so I can get it on underneath some cover at least. Oh, look at that. Maximus has made his way to the driver's seat. Go figure. I didn't think it would take him this long. That's what we're working with here. So I'm gonna jump in there, drive it over to the hay shed, which is over back behind those lilac bushes over there. Good. Attaboy. Can you come in? Oh, there you go. Dragon. I don't really have a very strong hitch pin on there, so I don't want to go too fast in case it breaks. I had to get me some bigger hitch pins. Never had a class 3 category. High gear. Get somewhere tonight. Driveway a little bit, get away from these lilac bushes here. Shot this tighter turning radius than a top bottom trailer. come out. Okay. Well, we can come back a little bit more. Another 4 or 5 feet wouldn't hurt nothing. Enough walking room along there. Back her up a little bit more and we're good to go. Temperamental. That's good enough. Got clearance. Pull the tractor forward. Put that right there. Pile. Need to clean that all up. This whole hay shed needs to be cleaned out of the old hay. Well, that's the excursions with Case the International for today. I always forget to lower the bucket. I'm gonna go back to, I don't know, today's been a rainy day all day again, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I got trees that need pruning, lilac trees need trimming up. Got a post or two that needs to be fixed in the fence line. Not exactly rainy day material, so see if I can get in the shop and continue working on that four-wheeler I had going. But that's another video. Hope your day is going fantastic. Feel free to share and subscribe, that'd be awesome. And hit that notification bell on your way out. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. I was walking by the chicken coop here and figured I'd just tag this video onto the other one and show you one with my time lately. This is our chicken coop here. It's going to be. I've been cleaning it up. I had to pressure wash it. I had pigs in here once upon a time, chickens, and then out back they had the pigs. So I had to clean everything up. Over here they had they had this all wired off and partitioned, so I pulled that all out, and it was about 2-3 inches of chicken dew in here. So this is what I've been working on. One of the things, this little fencing back here, I've been trying to take apart. The wood's all rotting, and as you can see, it's buckling in the middle there. So I'm gonna replace it all. Eventually I'd like to have this wire welded fence going across the top here. Just put posts up, and then this will be the enclosed area, free from hawks and eagles. And then off of here I'll have going back through these trees back to the what am I trying to think of here, hay shed. I'll have chicken wire around that, and that'll be my outdoor area for the older chicks, or not chicks, it'll be chickens at that point. But it'll come along here, and it'll go back to this outside wall here on this fence. I'll just run it along this wall here, all the way over to pretty much the driveway. I think I'm gonna come off this last post here, all the way straight to the driveway, include all these lilac bushes and trees in there. Chickens would love scratching through that, and they got aerial cover. So I'll probably come up to right about in here somewhere, and then angle it up towards the driveway, follow the driveway here, and then go back over to the corner of the shed over there. That'll be the outside fence. Then they'll have a door into that area. So sooner than later, hopefully.